Hari Bol, Dandot Pranam. So I was reciting Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. I am going to continue the same. First, let me pray to Srila Gurudev, to the Guru Parampara, to the Supreme Personality of Godhead and his dear associates. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitamena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gauragi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Madhya Leela chapter 16. So text 1 to 9. Gaudodhyanam Gauramegah Sinchan Swalokan Amrutaihi Bhavagni Dagdha Janata Virudha Samajivayat. जय जय गौरचंद्र जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद प्रभुर हैला इच्छा जायते वृंदावन सुनिया प्रताप रुद्र हैला वीमन सार्वभौम रामानंद आनी दुई जन दुहा के कहेन राजा विनय वचन नीलाद्रि छाड़ी प्रभुर मन अन्यत्र जायते तोमरा करहो यत्न तहारे राखीते तहाँ बिना यही राज्य मोरे नाही भाय गोसाई राखीते करहो नाना उपाय रामानंद सार्वभौम दुई जन स्थाने तबे युक्ति करे प्रभु जावे वृंदावने तूहे कहे रथ यात्रा कर दर्शन कार्तिक आइले तबे करियो गमन कार्तिक आइले कहे ये बे महाशीत डोल यात्रा देखी जाओ यही भाल रीत. Translation: By the nectar of his personal glance, the cloud known as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu poured water upon the garden of Gaudadesh and revived the people, who were like creepers and plants burning in the forest fire of material existence. All glories to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all glories to Lord Nityananda, all glories to Advaita Chandra, and all glories to all the devotees of the Lord. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu decided to go to Vrindavan, and Maharaj Pratap Rudra became very morose upon hearing this news. The king therefore called for Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and Ramananda Rai, and he spoke the following submissive words to them. Pratap Rudra Maharaj said, "Please endeavor to keep Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu here at Jagannath Puri, for now he is thinking of going elsewhere. Without Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this kingdom is not pleasing to me. Therefore, please try to devise some plan to enable the Lord to stay here." After this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself consulted with Ramananda Rai and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, saying, "I shall go to Vrindavan." Ramananda Rai and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya requested the Lord to first observe the Rath Yatra festival. Then, when the month of Kartik arrived, he could go to Vrindavan. However, when the month of Kartik came, they both told the Lord, "Now it is very cold, it is better that you wait to see the Dola Yatra festival and then go. That will be very nice." Text 10 to 19. आजी काली करी उठाए विविध उपाय जाइते सम्मति ना दे विच्छेदेर भय यद्यपि स्वतंत्र प्रभु नहे निवारण, भक्त इच्छा बिना प्रभु ना करे गमन। तृतीय वत्सरे सब गौड़ेर भक्त गण, नीलाचले चलिते सवार हिल मन। सबे मेली गेला अद्वैत आचार्य पासे, प्रभु देखीते आचार्य चलीला उल्लासे। यद्यपि प्रभु आज्ञा गौड़ेते रहीते, नित्यानंद प्रभु के प्रेम भक्ति प्रकाशिते। तथापि चलीला महाप्रभु रे देखीते, नित्यानंदेर प्रेम चेष्टा के पारे बुझीते। आचार्य रत्न विद्यानिधि श्रीवास रामाई वासुदेव मुरारी गोविंद आदि तीन भाई, राघव पंडित निज झाली सजाइया, कुलीन ग्रामवासी चले पट्ट दोरी लैया। खंडवासी नरहरि श्री रघुनंदन, सर्वभक्त चले तार के करे गणन। शिवानंद सेन करे घाटी समाधान, सबारे पालन करी सुखे लई जाए। Translation. In this way, they both presented many impediments, indirectly not granting the Lord permission to go to Vrindavan. They did this because they were afraid of separation from Him. Although the Lord is completely independent and no one can check Him, He still did not go without the permission of His devotees. Then, for the third year, all the devotees of Bengal wanted to return again to Jagannath Puri. All the Bengali devotees gathered around Advaita Acharya, and in great jubilation the Acharya departed for Jagannath Puri to see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Although the Lord told Nityananda Prabhu to stay in Bengal and spread ecstatic love of God, Nityananda left to go to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Who can understand Nityananda Prabhu's ecstatic love? All the devotees from Navadvip departed, including Acharya Ratna, Vidyanidhi, Srivas, Ramai, Vasudev, Murari, Govind and his two brothers, and Raghav Pandit, who took bags of assorted foods. The inhabitants of Kulinagram, carrying silken ropes, also departed. Narahari and Sri Raghunandan, who were from village of Khanda, and many other devotees also departed. Who can count them? Shivananda Sen, who was in charge of the party, made arrangements to clear the tax collecting centers. He took care of all the devotees and happily travelled with them. Text 20 to 28. Sabar sarvakarya karen den vasastan, Shivananda jane udiya pather sandhan. से वत्सर प्रभु देखिते सब ठाकुरानी, चलीला आचार्य संगे अच्युता जननी। श्रीवास पंडित संगे चलीला मालिनी, शिवानंद संगे चले तहार गृहिणी। शिवानंदेर बालक नाम चैतन्य दास, तेहो चलियाचे प्रभु रे देखिते उल्लास। आचार्य रत्न संगे चले तहार गृहिणी, ताहार प्रेमेर कथा कहिते ना जानी। सब ठाकुरानी महाप्रभु के भिक्षा दीते, प्रभुर नाना प्रिय द्रव्य नीला गर हैते। शिवानंद सेन करे सब समाधान, घाटियाला प्रबोधि देन सबारे वासास्थान। भक्ष्य दिया करेन सबार सर्वत्र पालन, परम आनंदे जाय प्रभुर दर्शने। रेमुनाय आसिया कैल गोपीनाथ दर्शन, आचार्य करील तहाँ कीर्तन नर्तन। Translation. Shivananda Sen took care of all the necessities the devotees required. In particular, he made arrangements for residential quarters and he knew the roads of Odisha. That year, all the devotees' wives, Thakuranis, also went to see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sita Devi, the mother of Achyutananda, went with Advaita Acharya. Srivas Pandit also took his wife Malini, and the wife of Shivananda Sen also went with her husband. Chaitanya Das, the son of Shivananda Sen, also jubilantly accompanied them as they went to see the Lord. The wife of Chandrasekhar, Acharya Ratna, also went. I cannot describe the greatness of Chandrasekhar's love for the Lord. To offer Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu various types of food, all the wives of the great devotees brought from home various dishes that pleased Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. As stated, Shivananda Sen made all arrangements for the party's necessities. In particular, he pacified the men in charge of levying taxes and found resting places for everyone. Shivananda Sen also supplied food to all the devotees and took care of them along the way. In this way, feeling great happiness, he went to see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri. When they all arrived at Remuna, they went to see Lord Gopinath. In the temple there, Advaita Acharya danced and chanted. Text 29 to 37. नित्यानंदेर परिचय सब सेवक सने बहुत सम्मान आसी कैल सेवक गणे सही रात्रि सब महा तहाई रहिला बार क्षीरानी आगे सेवक धरिला क्षीर बांटी सबारे दिला प्रभु नित्यानंद क्षीर प्रसाद पाया सबार बाड़िला आनंद माधवपुरीर कथा गोपाल स्थापन तहारे गोपाल जैचे मागिल चंदन तार लागी गोपीनाथ क्षीर चुरी कैला महाप्रभुर मुखे आगे कथा सुनीला सेई कथा सबार मध्य कहे नित्यानंद सुनिया वैष्णव मने बाड़िल आनंद ए मत चली चली कटक आइला साक्षी गोपाल देखी सबे से दिन रहिला साक्षी गोपालेर कथा कहे नित्यानंद सुनिया वैष्णव मने बाड़िल आनंद प्रभु के मिलीते सवार उत्कंठा अंतरे शीघ्र करी आयला सबे श्री नीलाचले. Translation. All the priests of the temple had been previously acquainted with Sri Nityananda Prabhu. Therefore they all came to offer great respects to the Lord. That night all the great devotees remained in the temple, and the priests brought 12 pots of condensed milk which they placed before Lord Nityananda Prabhu. When the condensed milk was placed before Nityananda Prabhu, he distributed the prasadam to everyone, and thus everyone's transcendental bliss increased. They then all discussed the story of Sri Madhavendra Puri's installation of the Gopal deity, and they discussed how Gopal begged sandalwood from him. It was Gopinath who stole condensed milk for the sake of Madhavendra Puri. This incident had been previously related by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. This same narration was again related by Lord Nityananda to all the devotees, and their transcendental bliss increased as they heard the story again. Walking in this way, the devotees arrived at the city of Katak, where they remained for a day and saw the temple of Sakshi Gopal. When Nityananda Prabhu described all the activities of Sakshi Gopal, transcendental bliss increased in the minds of all the Vaishnavas. Everyone in the party was very anxious at heart to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Therefore they hastily went on to Jagannath Puri. Text 38 to 46. आठार नाला के आइला गोसाई सुनिया दुई माला पाठाइला गोविंद हाथे दिया दुई माला गोविंद दुई जने पराइला अद्वैत अवधूत गोसाई बड़ सुख पाइला ताहा ही आरंभ कैल कृष्ण संकीर्तन नाचीते नाचीते चली आइला दुई जन पुनः माला दिया स्वरूपादि निजगण आगू बाड़ी पाठाइला सचीर नंदन नरेंद्र आसिया तहा सबारे मिलीला महाप्रभुर दत्त माला सबारे पराइला सिंह द्वार निकटे आइला सुनी गौर राय आपने आसिया प्रभु मिलीला सबाय सभा लैया कैला जगन्नाथ दर्शन सभा लैया आइला पुनः आपन भवन वाणीनाथ काशी मिश्र प्रसाद आनिल स्वहस्ते सबारे प्रभु प्रसाद खाओ आइला पूर्व वत्सरे जार जई वासास्थान तहाँ सभा पठाया कराइला विश्राम. Translation. When they all arrived at a bridge called Athar Nala, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, hearing the news of their arrival, sent 2 garlands with Govind. Govind offered the 2 garlands to Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu, and they both became very happy. Indeed, they began chanting the holy name of Krishna on that very spot. And in this way, dancing, Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu reached Jagannath Puri. Then for the second time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent garlands through Swarupa Damodar and other personal associates. Thus they went forward, sent by the son of Mother Sachi. When the devotees from Bengal reached Narendra Sarovar, Swarupa Damodar and the others met them and offered them the garlands given by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When the devotees finally reached the Lion Gate, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard the news and personally went to meet them. Then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all his devotees visited Lord Jagannath. Finally, accompanied by them all, he returned to his own residence. Vaninath Rai and Kashi Mishra then brought a large quantity of prasadam, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed it with his own hand and fed them all. In the previous year, everyone had his own particular residence, and the same residences were again offered. Thus they all went to take rest. Text 47 to 56. एहि मत भक्तगण रहिला चारि मास प्रभुर सहित करे कीर्तन विलास पूर्ववत रथ यात्रा काल जबे आइल सभा लैया गुंडीचा मंदिर प्रक्षालिन कुलीन ग्रामी पट्टदोरी जगन्नाथे दिला पूर्ववत रथ अग्रे नर्तन करिला बहु नृत्य करी पुनः चलीला उद्याने वापी तीरे तहाँ जाई करिला विश्रामे राढ़ी एक विप्र तेहो नित्यानंद दास महाभाग्यवान तेहो नाम कृष्णदास घट भरी प्रभुर तेहो अभिषेक कैल तार अभिषेके प्रभु महातृप्त हिल बलगंडी भोगेर बहु प्रसाद आइला सभा संगे महाप्रभु प्रसाद खाइला पूर्ववत रथ यात्रा कैल दर्शन हेरा पांचमी यात्रा देखे लैया भक्तगण आचार्य गोसाई प्रभुर कैल निमंत्रण तार मध्य कैल जैसे जड़वरिसन विस्तारी वर्णिया छेन दास वृंदावन श्रीवास प्रभुरे तबे कैल निमंत्रण ट्रांसलेशन For 4 continuous months, all the devotees remained there and enjoyed chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. As in the previous year, they all washed the Gundicha temple when the time for Rath Yatra arrived. The inhabitants of Kulinagram delivered silken robes to Lord Jagannath, and as previously they all danced before the Lord's Rath. After dancing a great deal, they all went to a nearby garden and took rest beside a lake. A Brahmin named Krishnadas, who was a resident of Radhadesh and a servant of Lord Nityanandas, was a very fortunate person. It was Krishnadas who filled a great water pot and poured it over the Lord while he was taking his bath. The Lord was greatly satisfied by this. The remnants of food offered to the Lord at Balagandi then arrived in great quantity, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all his devotees ate it. As in the previous year, the Lord with all the devotees saw the Rath Yatra festival and Hera Panchami festival as well. Advaita Acharya then extended an invitation to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and there was a great rainstorm connected with that incident. All these episodes have been elaborately described by Sri Vrindavan Das Thakur. Then one day Srivas Thakur extended an invitation to the Lord. Text 57 to 64. Prabhur Priya Venjan Saba Randhena Malini Bhakte Dasi Abhiman Snehete Janani आचार्य रत्न आदि जत मुख्य भक्तगण मध्य मध्य प्रभुरे करे न निमंत्रण चातुर्मास्य अंते पुनः नित्यानंदे लैया किबा युक्ति करे नित्य निभृते बसिया आचार्य गोसाई प्रभु के कहे ठारे ठोरे आचार्य तर्जा पड़े केहो बुझीते ना पारे तार मुख देखी हासे सचिर नंदन अंगीकार जानी आचार्य करे न नर्तन किबा प्रार्थना किबा आज्ञा केहो ना बुझीला आलिंगन करी प्रभु तारे विदाय दिला नित्यानंदे कहे प्रभु सुनो श्रीपाद, ये आमी मागी तुम्ही करहो प्रसाद, प्रतिवर्ष नीलाचले तुम्ही ना आसीबा, गौड़े रही मोर इच्छा सफल करीबा. Translation: The Lord's favorite vegetables were cooked by Malini Devi, the wife of Srivas Thakur. She devotedly considered herself a maid servant of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but in affection she was just like a mother. All the chief devotees, headed by Chandrasekhar Acharya Ratna, would extend invitations to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu periodically. At the end of 4-month Chaturmasya period, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again consulted with Nityananda Prabhu daily in a solitary place. No one could understand what their consultation was about. Then Srila Advaita Acharya said something to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu through gestures and read some poetic passages which no one understood. Seeing the face of Advaita Acharya, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled. Understanding that the Lord had accepted the proposal, Advaita Acharya started to dance. No one knew what Advaita Acharya requested or what the Lord ordered. After embracing the Acharya, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bade him farewell. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then told Nityananda Prabhu, please hear me, O holy man. I now request something of you. Kindly grant my request. Do not come to Jagannath Puri every year, but stay in Bengal and fulfill my desire. Text 65 to 67. ताहा सिद्धि करे हेन अन्य ना देखिए, आमार दुष्कर कर्म तोमा हिते है. नित्यानंद कहे आमी देह तुम्ही प्राण, देह प्राण भिन्न नहे एत प्रमाण. अचिंत्य शक्ति कर तुम्ही ताहार घटन, जे कराहो से करी नाही का नियम. Translation: Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued, you can perform a task that even I cannot do, but for you I cannot find anyone in Gaudadesh who can fulfill my mission there. Nityananda Prabhu replied, O Lord, you are the life and I am the body. There is no difference between the body and the life itself, but life is more important than the body. By your inconceivable energy, you can do whatever you like, and whatever you make me do, I do without restriction. Text 68 to 72. तारे विदाय दिला प्रभु करी आलिंगन, ए मत विदाय दिला सब भक्तगण. कुलीन ग्रामी पूर्ववत कैला निवेदन, प्रभु आज्ञा करो आमार कर्तव्य साधन. प्रभु कहे वैष्णव सेवा नाम संकीर्तन, दुई कर शीघ्र पावे श्री कृष्ण चरण. तेहों कहे के वैष्णव की तार लक्षण, तबे हासी कहे प्रभु जानी तार मन. कृष्ण नाम निरंतर जार वदने, से वैष्णव श्रेष्ठ भज ताहार चरणे. Translation: In this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced Nityananda Prabhu and bade him farewell. He then bade farewell to all the other devotees. As in the previous year, one of the inhabitants of Kulinagram submitted a petition to the Lord saying, My Lord, kindly tell me what my duty is and how I should execute it. The Lord replied, you should engage yourself in the service of the servants of Krishna and always chant the holy name of Krishna. If you do these two things, you will very soon attain shelter at Krishna's lotus feet. The inhabitant of Kulinagram said, please let me know who is actually a Vaishnava and what his symptoms are. Understanding his mind, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled and gave the following reply. A person who is always chanting the holy name of the Lord is to be considered a first-class Vaishnava, and your duty is to serve his lotus feet. Text 73 and 74. वर्षांतरे पुनः तार ऐच्छे प्रश्न कैल, वैष्णवेर तारतम्य प्रभु सिखाइल. जाहार दर्शने मुखे आइसे कृष्ण नाम, ताहारे जानियो तुम्ही वैष्णव प्रधान. Translation. The following year, the inhabitants of Kulinagram again asked the Lord the same question. Hearing this question, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again taught them about the different types of Vaishnavas. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, a first-class Vaishnava is he whose very presence makes others chant the holy name of Krishna. Text 75 to 83. क्रम करी कहे प्रभु वैष्णव लक्षण वैष्णव वैष्णवतर आर वैष्णव उत्तम यही मत सब वैष्णव गौड़े चलीला विद्यानिधि से वत्सर नीलाद्री रहीला स्वरूप सहित तार है सख्य प्रीति दुई जनाए कृष्ण कथा एकत्र ही स्थिति गदाधर पंडिते त्यों पुनः मंत्र दिला ओडन षष्ठीर दिने यात्राए देखिला जगन्नाथ परेन तथा माडुया वसन देखिया शाग्रण अइल विद्यानिधिर्मन सही रात्रे जगन्नाथ बलाई आसिया दुई भाई चाड़ाए तारे हासिया आसिया गाल फुलीला आचार्य अंतरे उल्लास विस्तारी वर्णिया छेन वृंदावन दास यही मत प्रत्यब्ध आइसे गौड़ेर भक्तगण प्रभु संगे रही करे यात्रा दर्शन तार मध्य जे जे वर्षे आछे विशेष विस्तारिया आगे तहा कही निशेष. Translation. In this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught the distinctions between different types of Vaishnavas, the Vaishnava, the Vaishnavatara and Vaishnava Uttama. He thus successively explained all the symptoms of a Vaishnava to the inhabitants of Kulinagram. Finally, all the Vaishnavas returned to Bengal, but that year Pundarik Vidyanidhi remained at Jagannath Puri. Swarupa Damodar Goswami and Pundarik Vidyanidhi had a friendly, intimate relationship, and as far as discussing topics about Krishna, they were situated on the same platform. Pundarika Vidyanidhi initiated Gadadhar Pandit for the second time, and on the day of Odana Sashti, Pundarika Vidyanidhi saw the festival. When Pundarika Vidyanidhi saw that Lord Jagannath was given a starched garment, he became a little hateful. In this way his mind was polluted. That night the brothers, Lord Jagannath and Balram, came to Vidyanidhi and smiling began to slap him. Although his cheeks were swollen from the slapping, Pundarik Vidyanidhi was very happy within. This incident has been elaborately described by Thakur Vrindavan Das. Every year the devotees of Bengal would come and stay with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to see the Rath Yatra festival. Whatever happened during those years that is worth noting shall be described later. Text 84 to 93. एई मत महाप्रभुर चारी वत्सर गेला दक्षिण जाइया आसीते दुई वत्सर लागिला आर दुई वत्सर चाहे वृंदावन जाइते रामानंद हटे प्रभु ना पारे चलीते पंचम वत्सरे गौड़ेर भक्तगण आइला रथ देखी ना रहिला गौड़ेरे चलीला तबे प्रभु सार्वभौम रामानंद स्थाने आलिंगन करी कहे मधुर वचने बहुत उत्कंठा मोर जायते वृंदावन तोमार हाथे दुई वत्सर ना कैलू गमन अवश्य चलीब दुहे करहो सम्मति तोमा दुहा बिना मोर नाही अन्य गति गौड़ देश है मोर दुई समाश्रय जननी जानवी ए दुई दयामय गौड़ देश दिया गौड़ देश है मोर दुई समाश्रय जननी जानवी यही दुई दयामय गौड़ देश दिया जाबो ता सभा देखिया तुमी दोहे आज्ञा देहो परसन्न हैया सुनिया प्रभुर वाणी मने विचार विचारे प्रभु सने अति हट कभू भाल नए दुहे कहे एबे वर्षा चलिते नारिबा विजयादशमी आइले अवश्य चलीबा. Translation. Thus Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu passed 4 years. He spent the first 2 years on his tour in South India The other 2 years, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to go to Vrindavan, but he could not leave Jagannath Puri because of Ramananda Raya's tricks. During the 5th year, the devotees from Bengal came to see the Rath Yatra festival. After seeing it, they did not stay but returned to Bengal. Then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu placed a proposal before Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and Ramananda Rai. He embraced them and spoke sweet words. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "My desire to go to Vrindavan has very much increased. Because of your tricks, I have not been able to go there for the past 2 years. This time I must go. Will you please give me permission? Save for you too, I have no other resort. In Bengal, I have 2 shelters, my mother and the river Ganga. Both of them are very merciful. I shall go to Vrindavan through Bengal and see both my mother and the river Ganga. Now would you too be pleased to give me permission?" When Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and Ramananda Rai heard these words, they began to consider that it was not at all good that they had played so many tricks on the Lord. They both said, "Now that the rainy season is here, it will be difficult for you to travel. It is better to wait for Vijayadashmi before departing for Vrindavan." Text 94 to 102. आनंदे महाप्रभु वर्षा कैला समाधान, विजयादशमी दिने करीला पयान। जगन्नाथेर प्रसाद प्रभु जत पाया छिला, कडार चंदन डोर सब संगे लैला। जगन्नाथ आज्ञा मागी प्रभाते चलीला, उड़िया भक्तगण संगे पाछे चली आईला। उड़िया भक्तगणे प्रभु यत्ने निवारिला, निजगण संगे प्रभु भवानीपुर आईला। रामानंद आईला पाछे डोलाए चढ़िया, वाणीनाथ बहु प्रसाद दिला पठाइया। प्रसाद भोजन करी तथाय रहिला, प्रातः काले चली प्रभु भुवनेश्वर आईला। कटके आसिया कैल गोपाल दर्शन, स्वप्नेश्वर विप्र कैल प्रभुर निमंत्रण। रामानंद राय सब गणे निमंत्रिला, बाहिर उद्याने आसी प्रभु वासा कैला। भिक्षा करी बकुल तले करीला विश्राम, प्रताप रुद्र ठाई राय करीला पया। Translation: Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very pleased to thus receive their permission. He waited until the rainy season passed, and when the day of Vijayadashmi arrived, he departed for Vrindavan. The Lord collected whatever remnants of food were left by Lord Jagannath. He also took remnants of the Lord's kadar ointment, sandalwood and ropes with him. After taking Lord Jagannath's permission early in the morning, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu departed and all the devotees of Orissa began following him. With great care, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu forbade the Orissan devotees to follow him. Then, accompanied by his personal associates, he first went to Bhavanipur. After Lord Chaitanya reached Bhavanipur, Ramananda Rai arrived on his palanquin and Vaninath Rai had a large quantity of prasadam sent to the Lord. After taking prasadam, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu remained there for the night. Early in the morning he began walking and finally he reached Bhuvaneshwar. After reaching the city of Katak, he saw the temple of Gopal and a Brahmin there named Swapneshwar invited the Lord to eat. Ramananda Rai invited all the others for their meals, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made his resting place in a garden outside the temple. While Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was taking rest beneath a bakula tree, Ramananda Rai immediately went to Maharaj Pratap Rudra. Text 103 to 112. सुनी आनंदित राजा अति शीघ्र आइला, प्रभु देखी दंडवत भूमि ते पड़िला। पुनः उठे पुनः पड़े प्रणय विभल, स्तुति करे पुलकांग पड़े अश्रुजल। तार भक्ति देखी प्रभुर तुष्ट हैल मन, उठी महाप्रभु तारे कैला आलिंगन। पुनः स्तुति करी राजा करे प्रणाम, प्रभु कृपा श्रुते तार देह हैल स्नान सुस्त करी रामानंद राजा रे बसाइला काय मनो वाक्य प्रभु तारे कृपा कैला ऐच्छे तारे कृपा कैल गौर राय प्रताप रुद्र सांत्राता नाम हैल जाय राजपात्र गण कैल प्रभुर वंदना राजा रे विदाय दिला सचिर नंदन बाहिर आसी राजा आज्ञा पत्र लेखाइला निज राज्य जत विषयी ताहारे पठाइला ग्रामे ग्रामे नूतन आवास करीबा पंच सात नव्य ग्रहे सामग्रे भरीबा आपनी प्रभु के लैया तहाँ उतारिबा रात्रि दिबा वेत्र हस्ते सेवाय रहिबा. Translation: The king was very happy to hear the news, and he hastily went there. Upon seeing the Lord, he fell flat to offer him obeisances. Being overwhelmed, the king again and again got up and fell down. When he offered prayers, his whole body shivered and tears fell from his eyes. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very pleased to see the devotion of the king, and he therefore stood up and embraced him. When the Lord embraced the king again and again offered prayers and obeisances. In this way, the Lord's mercy brought tears from the king, and the Lord's body was bathed with those tears. Finally, Ramananda Rai pacified the king and made him sit down. The Lord bestowed mercy upon him through his body, mind and words. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed such mercy to the king that from that day on the Lord became known as Pratap Rudra Santrata, the deliverer of Maharaj Pratap Rudra. All the governmental officers also paid their respects to the Lord, and finally the king and his men were bade farewell by the son of Mother Sachi. The king then went outside and had orders written down and sent to the government servants within his kingdom. His orders read, in every village you should construct new residences, and in 5 or 7 new houses you should store all kinds of food. You should personally take the Lord to these newly constructed houses. Day and night you should engage in his service with a stick in your hands. Text 113 to 122. दुई महापात्र हरिचंदन मर्दराज तारे आज्ञा दिल राजा करी हो सर्वकाय. एक नव्य नौका आनी राखो नदी तीरे, जहाँ स्नान करी प्रभु जाय न नदी पारे. तहाँ स्तंभ रोपण कर महातीर्थ करी, नित्य स्नान करीब तहाँ तहाँ जेन मरी. चतुर्द्वारे करहो उत्तम नव्यवास, रामानंद जाओ तुम्हें महाप्रभु पास. संध्याते चली वे प्रभु नरपति सुनीला, हस्ती ऊपर तांबू ग्रहे स्त्री गणे चढ़ाईला. प्रभुर चलीबार पथे रहे सारी हैया, संध्याते चलीला प्रभु निज गण लैया. चित्रोत्पल नदी आसी, घाटे कैला स्नान, महिषी सकल देखी करे प्रणाम. प्रभुर दर्शने सबे हैला प्रेममय, कृष्ण कृष्ण कहे नेत्र अश्रु वरिसाय. ए मन कृपालु नाई सुनी त्रिभुवने, कृष्ण प्रेमा है जार दूरदर्शने. नौकाते चढ़िया प्रभु हैल नदी पार, ज्योत्स्नावती रात्रे चली आइला चतुर्द्वार. Translation: The king ordered 2 respectable officers named Harichandan and Mardaraj to do whatever was necessary to carry out these orders. The king also ordered them to maintain a new boat on the banks of the river, and wherever Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took his bath or crossed to the other side of the river, they should establish a memorial column and make that place a great place of pilgrimage. Indeed, said the king, I'll take my bath there and let me also die there. The king continued, at Chaturdwar, please construct new residential quarters. Now, Ramanand, you can return to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When the king heard that the Lord was leaving that evening, he immediately made arrangements for some elephants with small tents on their backs to be brought there. Then all the ladies of the palace got on the elephants. All these ladies went to the road the Lord was taking and remained there in a line. That evening the Lord departed with his devotees. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to the bank of the river Chitrotpala to take his bath, all the queens and ladies of the palace offered their obeisances to him. Upon seeing the Lord, they all felt themselves overwhelmed with love of Godhead, and tears pouring from their eyes, they began to chant the holy name Krishna, Krishna. There is no one as merciful as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu within all three worlds. Simply by seeing him from a distance, one is overwhelmed with love of Godhead. The Lord then got into a new boat and crossed the river. Walking in the full moonlight, he finally reached the town known as Chaturdwar. Text 123 to 131. रात्रि तथा रही प्राते स्नान कृत्य कैला हेन काले जगन्नाथेर महाप्रसाद आइला राजा राज्ञाए परीक्षा पाठाए दिने दिने बहुत प्रसाद पाठाए दिया बहुजने स्वगण सहिते प्रभु प्रसाद अंगीकरी उठिया चलीला प्रभु बोली हरि हरि रामानंद मर्दराज श्री हरिचंदन संगे सेवा करी चले तीन जन प्रभु संगे पूरी गोसाई स्वरूप दामोदर जगदानंद मुकुंद गोविंद काशीश्वर हरिदास ठाकुर आर पंडित वक्रेश्वर गोपीनाथ आचार्य आर पंडित दामोदर रामाई नंदाई आर बहु भक्तगण प्रधान कहिलूं सबार के करे गणन गदाधर पंडित जाबे संगीते चलीला क्षेत्र संन्यास ना छाड़ियो प्रभु निषेधिला पंडित कहे जहाँ तुम्ही से नीलाचल क्षेत्र संन्यास मोर जाऊक रसातल. Translation. The Lord spent the night there and in the morning took his bath. At that time remnants of Lord Jagannath's food arrived. Following the king's orders, the superintendent of the temple sent large quantities of prasadam every day, and it was carried by many persons. After accepting the prasadam, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stood up and started to go, chanting the holy names Hari Hari. Ramananda Rai, Mardaraj and Sri Harichandan always went with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and rendered various services. Paramananda Puri Goswami, Swarupa Damodar, Jagadanand, Mukund, Govind, Kashishwar, Haridas Thakur, Vakreshwar Pandit, Gopinath Acharya, Damodar Pandit, Ramai, Nandai and many other devotees accompanied the Lord. I have mentioned only the chief devotees. No one can describe the total number. When Gadadhar Pandit started to go with the Lord, he was forbidden to come and was asked not to give up the vow of Kshetra Sannyas. When he was requested to return to Jagannath Puri, Gadadhar Pandit told the Lord, wherever you are staying is Jagannath Puri, let my so-called Kshetra Sannyas go to hell. Text 132 to 140. प्रभु कहे यहाँ कर गोपीनाथ सेवन पंडित कहे कोटि सेवा त्वत्पाद दर्शन प्रभु कहे सेवा छाड़ी बे आमाय लागे दोष यहाँ रही सेवा करो आमार संतोष पंडित कहे सब दोष आमार ऊपर तोमा संगे ना जाइबा जाइबा एकेश्वर आई के देखीते जाइबा ना जाइब तोमा लागी प्रतिज्ञा सेवा त्याग दोष तार आमी भागी एत बलि पंडित गोसाई पृथक चलीला कटक आसी प्रभु तारे संगे आनाइला पंडितेर गौरांग प्रेम बुझाई बुझन न जाए प्रतिज्ञा श्री कृष्ण सेवा छाड़िल तृण प्राय ताहार चरित्रे प्रभु अंतरे संतोष, ताहार हाथे धरी कहे करी प्रणय रोष। प्रतिज्ञा सेवा छाड़ीबे ये तोमार उद्देश्य, से सिद्ध हईल छाड़ी आइला दूर देश। आमार संगे रहिते चाहो वांछो निज सुख, तोमार दुई धर्म जाय आमार है दुख। Translation: When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Gadadhar Pandit to remain at Jagannath Puri and engage in Gopinath service, Gadadhar Pandit replied, "One renders service to Gopinath 1,000,000 times simply by seeing your lotus feet." Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then said, "If you abandon his service, it will be my fault. It is better that you remain here and render service. That will be my satisfaction." The Pandit replied, "Do not worry, all the faults will be on my head. I shall not accompany you, but shall go alone. I shall go to see Sachi Mata, but I shall not go for your sake. I shall be responsible for the abandoning of my vow and service to Gopinath." Thus, Gadadhar Pandit Goswami travelled alone, but when they all arrived at Katak, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu called him and he went into the Lord's company. No one can understand the loving intimacy between Gadadhar Pandit and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gadadhar Pandit gave up his vow and service to Gopinath just as one gives up a piece of straw. Gadadhar Pandit's behavior was very pleasing to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's heart. Nevertheless, the Lord took his hand and spoke to him, displaying the anger of love. "You have abandoned Gopinath's service and broken your vow to live in Puri. All that is now complete because you have come so far. Your wanting to go with me is simply a desire for sense gratification. In this way you are breaking two religious principles, and because of this I am very unhappy." Text 141 to 148. मोर सुख चाहो यदि नीलाचले चलो, आमार शपथ यदि आर किछु बोलो। एत बोली महाप्रभु नौकाते चढ़ीला, मूर्छित हैया पंडित तथाई पड़ीला। पंडिते लैया जाइते सार्वभौमे आज्ञा दिला, भट्टाचार्य कहे उठ ऐछे प्रभुर लीला। तुम्हें जान कृष्ण निज प्रतिज्ञा छाड़ीला, भक्त कृपा वशे भीष्मेर प्रतिज्ञा राखीला। स्वनिगमम अपहाय मत प्रतिज्ञाम, ऋतम अधिकर्तुम अवाप्लुतो रथस्थः, धृत रथ चरणो अभ्ययात चलद गुर, हरिरिव हंतुम इभम गतोत्थरीयः। हे मत प्रभु तोमार विच्छेद सहिया, तोमार प्रतिज्ञा रक्षा कैल यत्न करिया। एहि मत कही तारे प्रबोध करीला, दुई जने शोकाकुल नीलाचले आईला। प्रभु लागी धर्म कर्म छाड़े भक्तगण, भक्त धर्म हानि प्रभुर ना है सहन। Translation: If you want my happiness, please return to Nilachal. You will simply condemn me if you say any more about this matter. Saying this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got into a boat and Gadadhar Pandit immediately fell down unconscious. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya to take Gadadhar Pandit with him. The Bhattacharya told Gadadhar Pandit, "Get up. Such are the pastimes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You should know that Lord Krishna himself violated his own promise just to keep the promise of grandfather Bhishma. Intending to make my promise true, Lord Krishna broke his own promise not to take up a weapon at Kurukshetra. With his outer garment falling off, Lord Sri Krishna jumped from his chariot, picked up a wheel and came running at me to kill me. Indeed, he rushed at me like a lion going to kill an elephant, and he caused the whole earth to tremble. Similarly, tolerating separation from you, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has protected your vow with great endeavor." In this way, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya revived Gadadhar Pandit. Then both of them, very much grief-stricken, returned to Jagannath Puri Nilachal. all the devotees would abandon all kinds of duties for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's sake. Yet the Lord did not like the devotees giving up their promised duties. So today I end my recitation here. I will continue tomorrow. Hari Bol Dandot Pranam.